Section 1. Right foot forward sweep, left foot forward sweep. Right foot cross lock recover, side lock recover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Right foot cross lock recover, curl turn to right, forward, forward, forward touch. Left foot back hitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot curl turn to right, point, forward touch. Curl turn to right, step, point, forward touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot side lock recover together, side lock recover together, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag. Right foot side lock recover together, side lock recover together, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.